Hello, today we're going to be talking about what a rat is. My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and today we're going to be talking about rats, Remote Access Trojans. These are Trojan viruses that allow attackers to remotely access your computer, and they are fairly dangerous. A rat's primary focus is to enable administrative access to the target computer to allow it to do a multitude of tasks and objectives, limited only by the goals and imagination of the attacker. A rat is normally capable of keylogging, spying on the end user, accessing and collecting confidential information, all kinds, activating hardware enabling software for the purpose of recording and spying, can take pictures and video by the way, and installing and sending more malware, formatting hard drives, deleting data, and even rendering all data inaccessible, kind of like crypto ransomware. And of course, it can do a lot more. And because rats' abilities are only limited by the goals and imagination of rat deployers, some rats are able to do a lot more than this, so you kind of have to really be careful. Some of the best ways to avoid getting infected by a rat is to avoid opening email attachments, something I've been saying for years, and also to download movies, music, games, and whatever only from legitimate online sources. And of course, the best way to avoid a rat ever gaining administrative access is to use a normal, non-administrative account whenever possible. Because the second it gains access to an administrative account, it can privilege escalate higher. And this means rats are notoriously hard to remove from computers. So if you're ever infected with a rat, the only sure way to get rid of it is to completely format your computer, because even restoration points and system restores can be compromised by a rat. I hope you learned what a rat Remote Access Trojan is today. So like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, I'll be playing Watch Dogs Legion Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern this weekend. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.